Today's topic is labor guides. To start off, click on Labor Guides. Here you can either search labor by type of vehicle or VIN lookup. For this video, we'll be choosing VIN lookup search for labor. Choose the desired labor, and it will be added to the labor catalog. Also add the hourly rate. The labor was successfully added into the labor catalog. Another way to use labor guides is through the estimate section, where you can create a new estimate and add labor directly from the labor guide. Fill in the necessary information to create the new estimate. Once you reach the labor section in the estimate, make sure the labor guides is enabled. Then proceed to add the desired labor for this estimate. All the information about the invoice generation and pickup client reminder is optional. An estimate can be created without these information as well. Once all the information has been added, you can save your new estimate.